Hi, Sean here, and I'm going to be giving an overview of the Hex engine today. I have been working on it this weekend, and I think I finally have a version 1.0 which is going to work. Alright, here we are in the Hex engine. First thing I want to note is that as of this weekend, the engine has really easy asset management and loading. That we have GUIs here with text and then sound control here, so you can add buttons with hover states, image buttons, whatever you want. You can make really intricate GUIs, and they're really easy to manipulate via background scripts within the engine. So you see we have a game world here. All game worlds are comprised of 8 different objects. Those objects are lighting objects, you have NPCs, props, collision objects, and let me turn on this so you can see that. So the green things would be collision objects. You have checkpoints, particle emitters. You see a particle emitter here, and those are actually images on the particle, so you can have whatever, you can draw out your particles instead of just making them within the engine. And then you also have event areas. The last thing is navigation nodes. All of those objects are controlled via background scripts. So along with NPC scripting, you also have a hierarchical logic state system. So say your NPC is going along, and his job is just to sit there and jump like this NPC. This NPC is actually being controlled by 2 different states. The NPC is standing there, and he says in his AI, I need to jump now. So it changes its state to an AI jumping state. So when it goes into that jumping state says, okay, now I've finished jumping, now I want to go back to whatever I was doing. And it doesn't matter what that last thing was that the NPC was doing, it just matters that he's finished this state and is going back to whatever he was doing. So there's a hierarchy system that you can kind of gradually flow your AI's logic into. We also have a level editing system. And you can come over here. You can drag any of the game objects to wherever you want them to be. You can create any of the game objects really easily. I'll just create a few lights here because it's kind of stunning. See all the pretty colors. Then you can also say edit the fine details of something. All of this editing is done live within the game, so you can say pull objects up like this using collision areas, move everything around. So there's a really fine area of detail that you can edit things with. You can also add or copy object. Then let's say you decide this light is stupid, I do not like it. Boom, you can just delete that or delete this, I don't like that. And then you can come back, exit the editor, and go, whoo, I'm playing the game again. And then you can go and test your level without having to exit the game at all or do anything. So really good level design tools. It's all set up, ready to go, out of the box, ready to make a game. And it's all open source. So that's everything. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that I've displayed the Hex engine, probably not in its fullest right here, but in a good general overview as best I can. Thanks for watching, everybody.